Good morning, dear students. Chapter 12. I will take revision from chapter 12. Moving air is wind. Moving air is wind. Air can move things and it helps you to fly kites. And moving air is called wind. If you peep out of the window of a running train, you can feel the wind. You can feel, but you can't see the wind. So first, wind has speed. Wind has speed. Wind has speed. Wind has speed. Wind has force. Wind has force. Wind has speed. Wind has force. Wind has direction. Wind has direction. Wind has speed. Wind has force. Wind has direction. Wind has its speed, and if you ride a bicycle with the wind, your speed increases, but if you ride a bicycle against the wind, your speed decreases. And when the wind blows softly and gently, then it is called the breeze. And what is the storm? When the wind blows fast and strong, then it is called a storm. So we can say that wind has speed. Second, wind has force. Wind has a lot of force. Walk against the wind on a windy day, you shall feel the wind pushing you back with a force, and it is very difficult to ride the bicycle against the wind. Windstorm can cause damage to us, and it can blow things, uproot trees and poles. When wind blows fastly, then it can damage the things and it can uproot trees and poles. And force of wind is very useful. Force of wind can be help the ship sail fast, and then it turns the windmills, and it helps the farmers to separate grain from the chaff. And wind force is also used to generate electricity. So we can say that wind has force, and this wind force is very useful. Wind has direction. Wind blows in one direction at a time, and a wind coming from the west is called the west wind. As sailboats sail in the direction of the wind, branches of the trees move in the direction of the wind, kites and balloons float in the direction of the wind. And you know that a wind vane helps you to know the direction of the wind. Wind vane helps you to know the direction of the wind, and wind vane is also known as weathercock. Wind vane is also known as weathercock. And wind speed is measured with an instrument called the anemometer. Wind speed is measured with an instrument that is called the anemometer. Moving air is called wind. Soft and gentle wind is called a breeze. Fast and strong wind is called a storm. Wind has speed and force. Wind has direction. A wind vane tells the direction of the wind. You will take revision of this chapter, and I am taking a revision, and this is chapter 12, moving air is wind, and I have completed, and notes I have given, and from the study material you can write notes, you can upload, you can download and write, and you will take revision of this chapter, moving air is wind.